Botanical Garden. The official name of this place is Children's Botanical Garden, but friendly speaking, I don't know why, because this garden is really garden for adults. Of course, the area of this garden is not so big in compare with other ones, but anyway, there are some topics. So what I mean under topics? For example, in the garden there are a lot of such small figures, if you see now on the video and photos. And such figures there are a lot of through all around the park, let's to say, and generally they are very cute and nice. It's like you're in the inside of some fairy tale. Another topic, that Botanical Garden has a very big greenhouse, and another big greenhouse is erected now. So even when there are a frost outside, you can see a lot of subtropical plants inside greenhouse. By the way, on the video you see now Actinidia. This is a climbing plant. Sometimes it's called a North Kiwi. Of course, in Botanical Garden there is its own rosarium. To regret, I visited this place in the end of July, but still I saw a lot of blossom of roses. In another spot of the garden you can find a dendro park, and inside the dendro park there is a very nice children's area, let's to say, with numerous figures of fairy tales persons, mushrooms, hares, wolves, and so on and so on. So very nice place. If you are alone without children, believe me, I recommend you to visit this botanical garden in Zaporozhye.